Alright, welcome. We are at a temple in Kyoto. It's very empty. Pretty much no tourist here. हम और भी जगह जा सकते थे, but we saw that this one is not that crowded. So we're like, okay, यहीं आते हैं, because there is no other bus stop away from this now. The bus only goes back. We are at the Daikakuji temple, as you can see. There's a tower behind me as well. What I wanted to talk about today is how it is like running an online business remotely from Japan. I think it's our 7th or 8th day here, and throughout this whole trip we worked 4 or 5 hours. I had a couple meetings, Ritesh की थोड़ी बहुत meetings थी, and mostly I've been just communicating with the team remotely to make sure कि भाई client work अच्छा चल रहा है. And the thing is कि after doing this whole thing for 2 years and now the 4th month, it's that कि at this point now I got the freedom to go around, travel, and still have the business function at a level where I don't actually have to worry much about what's going on. My team members, so I did not have a dedicated salesperson in my team, right? I was the one who was doing all the sales all of the time. My creative director, I just showed him the process that I use whenever I'm closing someone or wherever I'm taking discovery calls with someone. One of the biggest bottlenecks I had, or not just bottlenecks, one of the things that I wanted to solve in the last few months, it has always been that if I can get myself out of the discovery call process, then I will save even more time for myself. Sure, मुझे pay करना पड़ेगा लोगों को, but the whole point of running an agency, or being more particular, an online agency, it's cash flow. And sure, ठीक है, तुम्हारा profit margin may be like 50%, maybe 60% पे आएगा. You will not have those high numbers of 70-80%. And in the niche that I'm in, उतना होता भी नहीं है. One of the main things I wanted to solve is taking myself out of the discovery call process. I tried it with a couple people, but then I did not see the growth fast enough that I would have preferred. For somebody to sell my service, they have to be really knowledgeable about the entire space. Plus, it's a huge learning curve because they need to know the ins and outs of what we do. अगर मैं किसी नए salesperson को hire करता, it would have taken me a lot of time to teach the person the whole process, and उसमें मेरे I think 3 महीने निकल जाते. So what I did was I took my creative director on a few calls with me. I showed him the process. We then blocked off my calendar completely for these 2 weeks that I'm traveling, and I can keep track of his calls remotely. Like I can see the calls that he's getting booked. So what I did was I sent him to a few of the calls that were, let's say, not the highest level. And then I went with him on one of the calls a few days ago in Tokyo, where the lead was actually amazing. And we did the call, and now we have the closing call with them today. So क्या हुआ कि I didn't really have to work. I just got on the call, I showed him what I do, and then he learned from it, and then he did some of those calls himself. And now the process is easy for me. Another issue that happened yesterday was we closed a deal with a creative director who is very big in the space. He works with some of the biggest music artists that you know of. He's their creative director, so he wanted us to work on his personal brand. Even after telling him the whole process, that it takes about 10 to 15 days to get the first few good pieces of content out, he became very impatient 2-3 times, and then yesterday he just started asking me for a partial refund. And I was like, bro, give me a proper chance, give me a chance. And I know कि मुझे ज़्यादा involve होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है वहाँ पे उस time पे. So what I did was I just had a very long WhatsApp chat with my creative director and my operations manager. I told them everything that we need to do. I communicated with the client, and then I just told him that, wait, okay? So I actually did not reply to his last message where he was more leaning towards a refund. And then I wake up and I see a message from my creative director that this is why you pay me X amount a month. And he's my highest earning team member, right? It was all because of me putting enough trust in him to run the agency when I'm not there. Sure, मैं अगर कहीं पे भी होता हूँ, I make sure that if there's any issue with any client or anything that we can do with sales, I prioritize it. क्योंकि again, मैं पूरी 100% छुट्टी नहीं ले सकता यहाँ से. I cannot close off my WhatsApp or my Slack or my emails, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है कि if a great opportunity comes by, then मैं उसको नहीं छोड़ सकता वहाँ पे. तो this is something that I've been doing, and देखा जाए तो पूरे इस एक वीक में हमने बहुत कम काम किया, and still the agency made money. I got paid very well. I have to now send the payouts for the month, and everything is going swimmingly well. Content side में I know that, you know, I have a personal brand. I need to be responsible for the content that I'm creating. So this is me putting in my effort that wherever I'm able to find a smaller time slot, I can just film a video, I can send it to my team and they can, you know, edit it, produce it and even post it. कल ही मेरा एक वीडियो मेरे YouTube पे गया, which was how, you know, just my process around how I closed a VC client, and then it took a good few weeks to get that video finalized, but now it's out. मुझे कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा यार, like that was the effort that I put in maybe let's say a month ago, and now it's paying off on this trip. And I think now I have a content bank of around, I think 4 or 5 YouTube videos. I have a day in the life coming out. I have like 2 or 3 vlogs from this Japan trip in the way, like on the way, and I still have like 4 or 5 days left here. Optimizing your time, मेकिंग श्योर कि तुम बर्न आउट नहीं हो रहे हो, क्योंकि एक चीज़ के बारे में ना हम दोनों बहुत बात कर रहे थे. इधर एक बार अपन लोग बात कर रहे थे ना, तो तू अपने मेंटोर से बता रहा था कि अपन लोग जितना टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं वी कैन बी डूइंग सो मच मोर. लाइक हम लोग हमेशा नई हैबिट्स की बात करते हैं कि वी कैन बिल्ड न्यू हैबिट्स और स्किल्स, एंड हमारे पास में टाइम है. श्योर इट माइट फील लाइक कि उतना टाइम नहीं है, बट टाइम है.
हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. हमारे पास दिन में 2 टाइम ट्रेन करने का टाइम था. हमने एक टाइम पे 2 टाइम मतलब इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इन द इवनिंग 3-3 घंटे ट्रेनिंग करके फॉर आवर इनकमिंग मैचेस. We used to train 2 times a day, and we still used to run our business. I still used to take sales call, and it was going all smooth. और तब पता भी नहीं चला कि हम ये सब कर रहे हैं, and then like you know हम बाकी सारी चीज़ें भी कर पा रहे हैं 2 टाइम ट्रेनिंग करके. That was like more than 5 hours a day. But अभी वो छूटने के बाद ऐसा लगता है यार टाइम ही नहीं है. पर अभी हम सिर्फ 2-3 घंटा ट्रेन करते हैं इन द इवनिंग. 2-3 घंटा भी मतलब 2 घंटा. अब बाकी तो हम टाइम पास करते रहते हैं वहाँ पे 1 घंटा. बट यार अभी लगता है टाइम ही नहीं है. बट लाइक वी डिड अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क बिफोर, जब हमारे पास कम टाइम था, और अब अभी हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है और हमें लगता है कि टाइम नहीं है. सो इट्स आवर फॉल्ट बेसिकली, एंड वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दैट, एंड वी कैन डू अ लॉट मोर.
इट्स ऑल अबाउट लाइक मेकिंग द बेस्ट यूज़ ऑफ आवर टाइम. जिन लोगों को मालूम नहीं है, ही इज़ माई फिटनेस कोच एज वेल. मैं ना इसको रोज़ बोलता था कि भाई मैं सोया कम हूँ. मेरी चेक इन शीट्स पे है ना हमेशा लेस देन 6 आवर्स का स्लीप हो रहा था. एंड आई न्यू कि भाई मुझे ट्रिप के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है. हमारा ओरिजिनल प्लान तो 1 महीने का यूरोप ट्रिप था. मैं तो इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकता अपना क्या हाल होता भाई वहाँ पे.
But the thing is, he even if like you know he gets less sleep, he gets the work done. So like he is one of those clients who doesn't require a lot of efforts from us to get the work done. He just like you know whatever we tell him to do, he just executes it, and then no questions asked. And that's how like you know people should be, according to what an ideal client we want in our team. But obviously सारे लोग ऐसे नहीं हो सकते, and he has a different mindset. So that's what. So the point is like, even though less is given, he can do more, and that's what I'm trying to tell.
Yeah, running an online business when you have, you know, put in good amount of work, it's very simple. But बात वो है कि you need to go through those sleepless nights where you know कि भाई काम नहीं हो रहा है. You are not certain whether you will make some money or not this month. And ये चीज़ exactly, you know, व्यू देखते हुए बात करते हैं, ठीक है. ये चीज़ exactly हर एक मंथ में होती है, and I have gone through it, right? थोड़ा व्यू देखो and then we will continue. See, this is what you know, this is where you can get to if you are putting in good amount of work. So that's how like agency life has been. मेरे still कोई calls नहीं है. I do have very important, like I said, a very important call tonight. But उसके अलावा until I'm back in Pune, मेरी ज़्यादा calls नहीं है. I have a dream client that I always wanted to work with, and he is actually gonna start with us now next Wednesday or Thursday for us when I'll be back in Pune, and it's all gonna be like I never left. And उसके बीच में I went to a different country, enjoyed a lot, hardly worked, and here we are, right? पैसे बन रहे हैं. And that's what distribution, a great service, great sales process, and the best team members that you can get. This is what happens when you do it. But the whole issue is that कि लोगों के पास में इतना patience नहीं होता है कि वो wait कर रहे हैं एक अच्छी टीम का, या फिर वो उनमें इतना पेशेंस नहीं होता कि वो ट्रस्ट कर पाए किसी को. दे आर ऑलवेज चेजिंग द परफेक्शनिस्ट माइंडसेट, राइट? And that's how agency life has been. Next up, I'll cover what are the plans next. All right, so next up, future plans. Abhi, I want to really go hard at, creating good long form content. Alongside that, like, काम तो चालू हो ही गया उस पे. Working on my personal brand, it's a big priority because Journey Club, it's one of our main business now. Akshat अपनी एजेंसी चलाता है. I have my own agency, but then we have Journey Club together. तो उसमें plans are big. So that's the idea. These are the main two things that I want to work on right now. I want to get back to fitness. I cannot wait to go back to India and then train jiu-jitsu because I'm missing it, honestly. The whole idea is that we want to have an insanely big amount of distribution, and for now it's not there yet. Sure, Akshat and Mera brand, like both of us are pretty known in the online service business / personal branding space or content space in general, but the numbers that we strive for, we haven't really put in the work in the last few months wahan pe. So the idea is that we want to do it in the coming months. Agency is running pretty well. We are in very high demand, right? Sometimes I just have to say no to a lot of leads because we just cannot afford to work with that many clients and not fuck up the process. So the idea is like that. Just enjoy the scene for now. I just have nothing but gratitude since I've been on this trip, because whatever I built for myself, I did it on my own. I think I'm the first person in my family to be able to travel to several countries, क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा किसी ने और travel किया नहीं, and to do it all myself, it's amazing.